Hello and welcome to another edition of Old Deadeye's Mountain Stuff and Things. Today I'm going to be teaching you a beginner's guide on how to use the big green egg, how to clean it, how to cook on it, everything egg. A little bit about me: I'm a retired vet and chef. I'm not here to make money. I don't care about your subscriptions, your comments, your likes. I'm not here to sell you anything. I've been cooking on the big green egg for 15 years, and I think I'm a pretty good expert. I ain't trying to sell you charcoal. I ain't trying to make money off a YouTube channel. This is a video blog for my family and friends so they can enjoy some of my funny jokes, anecdotes, and some helpful information that I like to share years after I'm gone. Anyways, back to the big green egg. This is the big green egg. This is the large edition. This was not invented, but introduced to America in 1974 by Ed Fisher from Atlanta, Georgia. He went to Japan. He loved the Komodo cooking out there, and he decided to bring that style to America. And so what we have here is Komodo style. It's a convection oven, which means convection means the air flows around the food. It's ceramic. See this pure white ceramic? The ceramic comes from Mexico. The outside is made out of metal. If you get those Komodo Joes and stuff, they got that cheap, ugly, yellow ceramic when you first buy it. What's so great about the big green egg is that it's so efficient, and you can do so much on it. No chemicals, no newspapers, no fluid, no briquettes have ever been in this big green egg. Yeah, so let's go. Most people are intimidated because they don't know how to adjust it or anything, but they don't cry about their weathers. This is the bottom. This is your intake of air. This is your outtake of air. All the way open, all the way open. This thing will go to 1,000, you heard me right, 1,000 degrees. Let's see your Weber do that. A Traeger couldn't get to 1,000 degrees if it was caught on fire. But anyways, so let's go to it. I'm gonna clean mine out. You take this dampener off. This is what's so awesome about the egg too. Not only can you bake on it and grill on it and everything else, is that when you're done cooking, you put this snuffer on and you shut this, and your lump charcoal will go out and you can reuse that on your next cook. That's one of the awesome things about this. You can't do that on any other cooker. Anyways, let's get to cleaning. I'm gonna open it up and show you the inside. Oh, look at this. I got a little smoked sea salt from last time. I like for next time I cook. I'm gonna do some good other cooking stuff. Anyways, let's put these up. Grab my handy dandy grill taker offer. Let's take out my indirect cooker. I'm gonna take these pieces out to show you what this makes a difference on the big green egg. See, this ball comes out. This makes it an inner wall where the air flows. Now if you look inside, I drop in the ash cans. Here goes the ash can. I'm gonna line this up with my airflow. Gonna put this on to keep the charcoal from going in the big pieces. Now I take my ash kicking can, or basket, excuse me, put this in. Done. And I'm gonna do a real hot clean on this bad boy. So here's how I started. I bought this old brander. That's what I call it, a branding iron. You can get these from Home Depot. I bought this one about 12 years ago for $7. I see them there all the time, but nowadays inflation, they're about 15 bucks. But see, with this, there's no newspaper, there's no chemicals, And so this, I'm gonna plug in. I stick this right into my coals, and it takes about, I don't know, about maybe 10 minutes to fire up. You'll see the smoke coming. We'll unplug it and get it out. So we'll get back to it. All right, we're back. It's been about 5-6 minutes. If you can see in here, the charcoal is starting to light. or more than starting to light. It's lit in there. It's glowing red in here, if you could see. It's glowing red hot. See, the charcoals are going. I'm gonna unplug this, throw it on some dirt. It doesn't start a fire. And I'm gonna shut this because this is already lit. I'm gonna show you with both things wide open how hot this is gonna be and how to adjust it. What you wanna do is after you take off your dampener, you put your cast iron lid on there. With your cast iron lid, it adjusts, micro adjustments up here with the holes open and shut, and it has bigger ones by opening up the slider hole. So what I do is when I'm cooking and I need to, this top section is micro adjustments from 5 to 10 degrees. This bottom one here is for making major adjustments from 10 to 20 degrees of incoming oxygen. I'm going to teach you a trick. When I cook, once I get it lit, I don't throw my food on here automatically because the smoke is gray and you don't want that. You want the charcoal to really ignite, and that's where the white smoke comes. If you put your food on here now with the gray smoke, you're going to get like a little residue. Not nice, not good. But as you can see, we're using the charcoal that was left in here from my last cook. It's taken off, it's warming up the egg, and I'm leaving this all the way open because we're gonna see hot, we're gonna get it as hot as we can, burning out this charcoal because I'm cleaning it. You can see we're getting smoke out through the top. We just hit 150 degrees. It's starting to warm up. You notice I have it all the way maxed out, as open as you can get. Not scary, folks. Once you get this egg down, you're gonna love it. All right, we're at 550. I'm just gonna give, woo-wee. Look in here, you can see how hot it's getting there. The stainless, the cast iron is getting gray. Look at that, everything just come right off there. Now we got some flames from that seasoning from the last cook going down in there. Too easy, too easy. What's so nice about this cast iron grill is one side is flat like this for fish and chicken breasts. The other side is shaped as a pyramid so you can get those nice good grill marks on your steaks and beef. All right, look at that. Grill is clean, but I'm gonna flip it. Get the other side. Like I said, don't recommend this at home, kiddos. In a couple more videos, I'm going to show you the best attachments for this. I have a secret video coming up with the best attachment that every tuber does up on this YouTube channel, or their YouTube channel, excuse me. They put on here for $350. I'm going to show you that same product for $99. And when I do that video, I'm going to smoke 7 things that nobody else smokes. Stay tuned.